Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to build a $1 million business. I'm sure you've seen so many videos claiming to teach you that, or a lot of clickbait. I promise you, this is not a clickbait. I will show you step by step how you can achieve that. But before I go into this, I would like to announce that my course is out. It's in pre-sale now, will be launched in 2 weeks. And it's reduced in price for the pre-sale. The course has everything that you need to have a successful Amazon business. It has criteria of finding a product, something that many people struggle with. I know when I was a newbie, that was very hard for me to find a product, and all the advice was find the high demanding product with low competition. With that did not make sense to me, but in the course, there is actual recipe, step by step, to analyze your product to make sure it fits all the criteria. More details will be in the description. But for today's video, I wanted to talk about how can you build a $1 million business. Now, let's say you have a product that is selling for 10K. That product is being good and it's profitable. It's giving you 2,000 a month. If you keep doing that to reach the 1 million, it's gonna take a long time. But there is a quicker way of achieving this figure, which is selling the business in about a year or 2 years. I would say 2-year plan is more workable, because when you are new, you're still figuring out things. Amazon is very cash intensive. If there is one thing any seller will tell you, actual seller that sell on Amazon, they'll tell you it's cash intensive. It's always wanted cash. So you would have a successful product, and then the market is changing and you want to get another product, or the demand is increasing and you wanted to increase your inventory. So it's very cash intensive. Unless you have a huge budget to achieve that quickly, in a year it will be a bit difficult anyway. So let's say how we're going to sell the business. There are a few companies that actually buy Amazon businesses, or they work as a broker between buyers and seller. Empire Flipper is one of them. And in there, it shows you exactly how can you achieve those figures. If you have one product that's actually making you $2,000, how can you make that million figure? We'll go to the screen and show you exactly how we can do that. So this is Empire Flipper. This is one of the companies that actually would sell Amazon businesses. So they will bring the buyer and the seller in this platform. They take a fee, obviously, but they're giving you here an example. So if you go to their frequently asked questions, how much will my business sell? They say it's multiple 20 up to 60. So it depends on so many things that the business might not be only on Amazon, has another, for example, a Shopify store, it has a blog, whatever that would increase the value of the business. That varies. But basically once you put your numbers in their valuation, they would give you a figure between the minimum you should sell it for and the maximum you should sell it for, and you can choose the figure that you wanted to advertise once you're ready to sell the business. So I'm giving us here an example. So let's say a business is doing 24,000 profit in a year, so that's monthly is 2,000. And if the business is valued at, here they say that for this example, 28, so you would times that by 28. So you might have a business or a product that's only making you 2,000, and you might think the million is so long, the road is so long. It's not. You can sell that business, and I'll show you. I've done actually a spreadsheet for you to show you how easy you can achieve that. So this is the calculator, and I've done in different profit margins, so 20%, 25 and 30%. So let's say that you are making 10,000 sales at 20%, then to reach a million, it would take you 17 products if the multiple is times 30. But if let's say your business is stronger, then the multiple might be 40, and then you will reach there by 13 products. How about you can actually amend this figure according to your sales. So how about if your figure is 20,000 sales, how quickly can you get there? So you see, if your sales is 20,000, so you can get there with 13 product, or if it's 30 multiple, which is the average 30 with 9 products. So see, it's not that far. So you can sell your business, let's say, for $1 million. That's what I would say is 2 years plan, depending obviously on your budget and your knowledge and how quickly you can pick up Amazon. You can actually figure. Sometimes what people would say, I don't even want a million. Maybe I would sell at 400K. I'll sell at 200K. A big sum of money, that's enough for me. I would sell the business, and then if you still wanted to do Amazon, you take part of that money, go back into Amazon, and you will make even a stronger brand that you can sell later, and then use the rest of the money doing something else. But as you can see, you can change it. That's a calculator. I've done it for you guys, so you can change it. So this is at 10,000, but you can change it if you want, and it'll show you the figures. Obviously, the figures. When the profit is higher, you get there quicker, obviously. 30%, if you have really good products with 30%. So hopefully you'll find this helpful calculator and you'll have a lot of fun with it.